Well, I hope all of you are nice and warm. It's very cold here in the Southern Highlands today. And this message this morning is because very recently the question came up, what is it that I actually do? And I found myself quite interested because just assumed that everybody knew. And that was a very definite learning curve for me. So I'm qualified for numerous things, and I've done plenty of things over the past almost 30 years. But the main aspect has been coaching and my spiritual work as a psychic medium. But in essence, even though I am a registered specialist behavior support practitioner, studied psychology, counseling, coaching, cognitive behavioral therapy, and various other therapies in mental health. Um, to me, my heart resides in my spiritual work and who I am as a spiritual being. My research is constantly relating to spiritual aspects such as quantum physics and the advancement and enhancement of the human soul. But essentially, to clarify, I am a grief and relationship specialist. So, anyone who has struggles either with grief or in relationships, whether current or past, reach out to me. This is where my forte is and where I can certainly help you. I hope you guys have an absolutely wonderful Wednesday. Keep smiling, keep shining.